What will we ask from God? Broken pieces of glass. And if we don't, God will give us the highest thing. He will become a servant of the devotee. So the way to get from God is not by asking, but by giving. God killed Hiranyakashipu is not a big deal. He can kill any demon in any leela. The big thing happened afterwards. Nrisingh Bhagwan lifted Prahlad. He was dancing in anger until he saw Prahlad, and that pacified him. Now in his ferocious form, the devatas were all trembling, because when the master is annoyed, he can slap anybody. So they were watching from afar. The person who is close is in danger. He can be slapped, the others will run away by then. But Prahlad was fearless. What is there to fear? He is my eternal father. And he came close. Nrisingh lifted him up and he said, Varam vrishvabhimatam kama purosmyaham nrinam. My child, Vats, I am extremely pleased with your devotion. Ask what you want. Prahlad responded astonishingly. He said, Yasta ashisha ashaste nasa bhrityah savaivanik. O my master, if I ask you for something, I will not remain your servant. I will become a businessman. I have done this for you, now you do this for me. I have offered savase laddu bhog, now you get my child to become all right. He said, if I start asking you, I will become a businessman. Maharaj, how are you saying ask? Have you detected a flaw in my heart? You are antaryami? Nrisingh Bhagwan became quiet. Whenever I meet anybody, I say, ask for a boon. And here is this little child who says, I am not a businessman, I am your servant. So Nrisingh was silenced. And Prahlad did not stop there. Prahlad said something that became historical. He said, Yadirasisha me kaman. He said, Maharaj, if you do have to give, Kamanamridya sanroham bhavatastu vrinevaram. In that case, I ask you for one boon. It is possible, it is your rule that you have to give. And as a servant, it is my duty to follow your instructions. If the master is saying ask, then the servant has to ask. So Maharaj, I ask for this. That you make my heart such that in future I never ever ask you for anything. In other words, he is asking that he should never ask for anything ever in future, thereby sealing his Nishkam Bhakti. You see, bin mange moti mile, mange mile na bhik. What will we ask from God? Broken pieces of glass. And if we don't, God will give us the highest thing. He will become a servant of the devotee. So the way to get from God is not by asking, but by giving. So Nrisingh Bhagwan, he blessed Prahlad. Prahlad said, Maharaj, may all the souls in the world be liberated. May my father attain welfare. Bhagavan said, your father Prahlad, by virtue of your devotion, 21 generations of your ancestors are blessed by me. अस्फोटयन्ति पितरो नृत्यन्ति च पितामहा मद्वंशे वैष्णवो जातः सनस्त्राता भविष्यति. When a pure devotee of God is born in any dynasty, the ancestors in the celestial abode start clapping. By virtue of his devotion, we will receive blessings.